Come join us while we unbox our new tent. It's an 8-person tent because we wanted a big one just so it could be more comfortable for us in case we wanted to do more stuff in it, like have a table or a little kitchen or have our luggages inside, etc. But we're gonna test it out at the beach. Look at this beautiful view in Costa Rica. This is actually in Playa Herradura. This tent is really big. It was really heavy. Yeah, my mom actually brought it to us from the States. We paid for it in Amazon online, and then she brought it over to us because over here tents are really expensive. So let's have some fun while we figure out how the heck to do this. It actually took us a really long time, and it was a little bit stressful because it just looks easier than what it is, and it's not. But we have, of course, practiced a few more times after that, and it has gotten a little bit easier. But here's just the preview of it so you guys can check it out and see how it looks. But yeah, like you see, the beach is so beautiful in the background, and you're probably like, why the heck were you recording this video not helping your husband, right? Because I honestly thought the same thing. And I have a tripod. Why did I not take the tripod to put it up to record? I don't know. So I had to like record bits and pieces of it and then put it down, put my phone down, and then keep recording. And that's basically how we did it, and that's probably why it took us way longer than it should have. But here it is. This is how it's looking. It's really big and comfortable, and I'm so happy to share with you guys that we were able to go back another day camping, and we took my husband's family and we fit inside very comfortably. And then look at this sunset view because we stayed the whole day there at the beach, and it was absolutely stunning, and it's super worth it. So if you guys are ever in Costa Rica, or if you have a beach nearby, try to camp there someday if that's possible. It is definitely something that you will never regret doing. It is such a beautiful experience. See you guys later. Bye.